So in this problem, we're given a list of 4 numbers, which consists of 1, root 2, x, and x squared, and we're also told x is greater than 0. And we're given that the range is 4. And the range refers to the difference between the largest and the smallest number in this set. Now in this problem, since they don't say anything about x, we can't really assume whether x has to be greater than 1 or not, meaning x could be between 0 and 1, or x could be greater than 1. And this is important in this case because let's say if x is between 0 and 1. Now in that case, x squared would also be between 0 and 1, because when we square a number between 0 and 1, it actually shrinks. Now in that case, both x and x squared would be the smallest number, meaning what we're saying is that x squared would be the smallest x, and then 1 and root 2. In this case, the range is given to us as 4, which means root 2 minus x squared is equal to 4. And if we try to set this up equal to x squared, this would be root 2 minus 4. And we know that root 2 is less than 4. So this would turn out to be a negative number, which is not possible, which means that x cannot be between 0 and 1. It's entirely possible that in another problem that could be an issue, but it's important not to assume that x squared is the largest number unless they specifically state in the problem that they are in an increasing order. But here, to satisfy that the range is 4, x squared has to be the greatest number, meaning x has to be greater than 1. It's this condition. So having established that, we know that the range, which is the difference between the greatest number, x squared, and the least, which is 1, because root 2 is greater than 1, that must be equal to 4, which means x squared is equal to 5, or x is equal to square root of 5. And what that means is that the value of x is root 5, which is greater than 2. And in this problem, we're asked to compare quantity a, which is x, with quantity b, which is 2. And since we know x is a number greater than 2, the correct answer is a, that is, quantity a is greater.